pushing, team. Excellent work. Let's get that goal.
Some like the sport, others like the culture. Some like the sport, others like the culture. Welcome to the World Cup English class. Welcome to the World Cup English class. The World Cup happens every 4 years. The World Cup happens every 4 years. A goal is worth 1 point. A goal is worth 1 point. Fans cheer loudly at matches. Fans cheer loudly at matches. Match day is exciting for fans. Match day is exciting for fans. The winner gets a big trophy. The winner gets a big trophy. Kick the ball to score a goal. Kick the ball to score a goal. Many countries compete in the World Cup. Many countries compete in the World Cup. Good luck to all the teams. Good luck to all the teams. Teams play in groups first. Teams play in groups first. The World Cup is the biggest football event. The World Cup is the biggest football event. Many people love the World Cup for its excitement. Many people love the World Cup for its excitement. People enjoy watching teams from many countries play. People enjoy watching teams from many countries play. The World Cup brings fans together worldwide. The World Cup brings fans together worldwide. It is a time for celebration and joy. It is a time for celebration and joy. Some people love the sport and the competition. Some people love the sport and the competition. The World Cup creates unforgettable moments. The World Cup creates unforgettable moments. Many people feel excited during the World Cup. Many people feel excited during the World Cup. The World Cup brings people from different countries together. The World Cup brings people from different countries together. It promotes unity and friendship worldwide. It promotes unity and friendship worldwide. People love the passion and the energy of the games. People love the passion and the energy of the games. The World Cup is fun and exciting to watch. The World Cup is fun and exciting to watch. Fans enjoy the competition and suspense. Fans enjoy the competition and suspense. It teaches teamwork and sportsmanship. It teaches teamwork and sportsmanship. The World Cup unites people emotionally. The World Cup unites people emotionally. Some people think it is too expensive. Some people think it is too expensive. The event can cause traffic and noise. The event can cause traffic and noise. Some dislike unfair calls in matches. Some dislike unfair calls in matches. Not everyone enjoys watching sports. Not everyone enjoys watching sports. Some people find it too commercialized. Some people find it too commercialized. The noise can be too much for some. The noise can be too much for some. Some prefer quiet hobbies to football. Some prefer quiet hobbies to football. Some people like the World Cup, but others do not. Some people like the World Cup, but others do not. It is okay to have different opinions. It is okay to have different opinions.
Everyone gets excited about the Football World Cup. Everyone gets excited about the Football World Cup. But why are people so excited about it? But why are people so excited about it? They feel proud supporting their country. They feel proud supporting their country. I don't understand why it is so special. I don't understand why it is so special. There are exciting moments in every match. There are exciting moments in every match. The game brings people from all over the world together. The game brings people from all over the world together. Many countries join the competition. Many countries join the competition. Happy moments watching matches. People share happy moments watching matches. Joy. Players practice a lot to win the World Cup. Players practice a lot to win the World Cup. People love to watch their favorite teams play. People love to watch their favorite teams play. Why do they cheer so loudly during the matches? Why do they cheer so loudly during the matches? Watching games together brings happiness. Watching games together brings happiness. Fans show love by wearing colors and flags. Fans show love by wearing colors and flags. So it is about pride and joy. So it is about pride and joy. The Football World Cup is a special time. The Football World Cup is a special time. They work very hard every day. They work very hard every day. It is a big event for the whole world. It is a big event for the whole world. Cheering for players is a happy moment. Cheering for players is a happy moment. Playing football brings happiness and friends. Playing football brings happiness and friends. Playing football with friends is fun. Playing football with friends is fun. Now I see why it is exciting. Now I see why it is exciting.
Keep pushing, team. Excellent work. Let's get that goal.
Some like the sport, others like the culture. Some like the sport, others like the culture.
I want to wear team colors too. I want to wear team colors too. I want to play football one day. I want to play football one day.
Learning about others is important. Learning about others is important.
When a team scores, everyone celebrates. When a team scores, everyone celebrates. Football teaches teamwork and friendship. Football teaches teamwork and friendship. The World Cup is a special time for all. The World Cup is a special time for all.
Listening helps us understand each other. Listening helps us understand each other.
I am glad you understand now. I am glad you understand now.
The World Cup connects many cultures. The World Cup connects many cultures. We can enjoy it in many different ways. We can enjoy it in many different ways.
Celebrations are full of joy and fun. Celebrations are full of joy and fun. I like cheering for players too. I like cheering for players too.
Thank you for learning with us today. Thank you for learning with us today.